Hello there. Hey, I'm Scott Poirier.
And I'm John Gerstenlauer, and we are thrilled to be able to invite you to attend our free half-day workshop on January 19th, 2023, and we're going to be in Jacksonville, Florida, in LeGrand's studio. We're going to share with you our experience and our knowledge about running your own short-term rental business. You've got to jump on board now because the STR business is exploding, and this is the time to get in right now.
So yes, John, we are thrilled. This is a half-day workshop, January 19th. You're going to want to get it in your calendar. And we are going to go over, we're going to open this thing up, and we're thrilled to share with you really the stuff that you need to know now so that you can start building your short-term rental cash flowing system now and make all the difference in the world for 2023 for your financial freedom. So John, let me ask you this. What do you think people need to know about how to do this short-term rental business and get cash flow coming in now?
That's a great question. I'll tell you what you don't need to know, what you don't need. You don't need to have a license, you don't need to have any experience, and you don't need credit. People are worried about having credit to run a business. You don't need credit. What you really do need to do is learn from us on January 19th, starting at noon, again in Jacksonville, Florida, LeGrand's studio, how to profit from your own short-term rental business. It's a home-based business, and you need to learn from us how to do this.
Yeah, so listen, we're going to show you just a ton of information. We're going to show you a step-by-step and all the tools needed for success in 2023.
That's right, and we're going to show you where you can go and where you should go for your short-term rentals also.
Yeah, and we're going to talk about actually taxes, insurance, all that stuff that can kind of get us stuck where we're not sure. John's going to unpack all this stuff that you need to know about your taxes and insurance, and it's easy peasy stuff.
Yeah, that's right, but that's my part. I love to say that. So can I say that?
Yeah, go ahead. No. Say easy
taxes,
peasy.
Easy peasy? I'm saying I love taxes, insurance, local laws, and contracts. That's what I love that kind of stuff. I know it's dry, but I love that stuff. But we're also going to show you how to find prospects. It's key. It's number one. If you don't have prospects, you don't have a business.
Yeah, and it's more than just prospects. We're going to show you how to talk to those landlords. That's the key to this whole thing, and we've got some very simple ways to have those conversations.
That's right, and contracts. Now, we're not attorneys, but we're going to show you what we use in our contracts and how to make this a successful business to protect you. We're going to show you what we use to protect us, and we want to help you protect yourself as well.
Yeah, and we're going to walk you through the process on how you even set up a unit or a house, and it could be an apartment, it could be a mobile home, it could be really almost any kind of property. We'll show you how to set that up so that you can maximize on that property, and we're going to show you how to maintain it.
Not only that, it was really important, once you get this set up, we want you to maximize occupancy. I'll tell you what, we're going to show you how to market your properties to maximize occupancy. It's not about the rent price, the nightly price. That's important, but it's not the most important. More important than that is maximizing that occupancy, and we're going to show you how to do that.
So there are a few moving parts here, but we're going to show you how you're going to be able to do this in a way that you can build your team so that you're not like involved in every little thing that's going on. So we're going to go over how to build that team, who to look for, have the right people in place so that you can maximize this thing.
And now we know you're going to be thinking, but oh my gosh, I don't want to clean properties. I don't want to be changing light bulbs and fixing things. We're going to show you how to automate that. We're going to show you how to get those people in place and how to get the properties cleaned and how to have them maintained when things do go wrong. Let's face it, in life and in buildings and in houses and properties, sometimes things go wrong. But we're going to show you how to not ever worry about that.
And the big thing is, as well, and kind of putting this whole thing together, how to maintain and market your listings using the Airbnb platform. So we're going to unpack all that stuff for you so that this will be a no-brainer.
That's right. We're going to show you also what kind of supplies you need and how do you maintain those supplies. Where do you get those supplies? What kinds of things do you need for your guests? Guests do have expectations. And the beautiful thing is we're going to show you how to automate all of this. We want to automate it so that you don't end up having another job.
That's right.
We're going to show you how to work on your business, not in your business, to build your wealth.
I'm excited. I can feel the excitement from you on the other side as well. Listen, you're going to want to register now. We want to see you on January 19th. We're opening up the vault here. We're going to share all this stuff with you so that we can help you build your home-based short-term rental business in 2023 and make the financial difference in your life and in your family's life.
And this is going to be critical. You're going to maximize your wealth in 2023, and you're going to have a lot of fun. By the way, we always have fun too. So it's not just about learning. You're going to learn a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
But we also got to have fun. I always felt if I don't have fun at what I do daily, I don't want to stop doing it. But this is going to be fun as well as educational and informative.
We'll see you on January 19th. Peace.